हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल JKSSB अड्डा 614। सो गाइस, मैंने ये केमिस्ट्री के आपको 25 क्वेश्चन करवाए थे और मैंने बोला था 100 क्वेश्चन करवाऊंगा। तो आज गाइस यो है ना, पूरे मैं 100 क्वेश्चन आपको 26 से लेके यहाँ पे 100 क्वेश्चन जो है जितने भी है केमिस्ट्री के वो मैं डिस्कस कर दूंगा विद इन 10 मिनट के अंदर अंदर। ठीक है। सो गाइस, आपको कुछ नहीं करना, खाली आपको यहाँ पे प्रेस द लाइक बटन, ठीक है, और शेयर करना ना भूलें अपने फ्रेंड के साथ। और ये क्वेश्चन जो है काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा। In sunlight, chloroform is converted into dash a poisonous gas, that is phosgene. Question number 27. Which vitamin contains cobalt, that is vitamin B12? Dash is one of the most common preservative used in food processing industry, that is benzoic acid. Which compounds are responsible for permanent hardness of water, that is sulfate and chlorides of calcium and magnesium? The temporary hardness of water is caused because of which compound, that is bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium? Question number 31. Copper is extracted from which ore, that is copper pyrite? When there is a dead organism are transformed into petroleum and natural gas, the answer is absence of air. Deuterium is dash of hydrogen. Deuterium is isotopes of hydrogen. Question number 34. The weight of iron is dash when it is undergoing the process of rusting, that is increase. Question number 35. Efficiency of the catalyst depends on its molecular state. Eggshell is made up of calcium carbonate. Which vitamins are fat soluble, that is कीड़ा, KEDA। तो इसको याद करने के लिए सिंपल रखना कीड़ा, ठीक है। Which was the first organic compound synthesized in a lab and it was done by whom? Urea by Friedrich Wöhler. Fuse wire is made up of, very important question, that is lead and tin. Dash is used to coat galvanized iron, that is zinc। ये भी important रहेगा। Which gases are used by sea divers for underwater breathing, that is oxygen and helium? Dash and dash gases are helpful for ripening of fruits, that is ethylene and citylene. Question number 43. The dash found in an ore is known as gangue, that is impurities. Iron is extracted from which ore, that is hematite. Kerosene is a mixture of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Which element is used for making of lead pencil? Very important question, that is graphite. The lightest metal is important question, lithium. Dash is the main ore of mercury, that is cinnabar. Which metal is found in the highest proportion in Earth's crust, that is aluminium. Mine explosions are mostly caused by mixing of air and methane. Question number 51. Which is the compound used to in nail polish remover? जो nail polish remover होता है उसमें कौन सा compound पड़ा होता है, that is acetone. Natural rubber is a polymer derived from isoprene. The coating on non-stick cookware is of polytetrafluoroethylene, that is PTFE, Teflon. The nuclear fusion on the Earth's surface result into formation of dash atoms, that is helium atoms. Organic compounds are only soluble in non-polar solvents. Dash is also known as fool's gold, iron pyrite. Very important question it is. In an oxidation process, dash happens, loss of electron. Oxides of metals are alkaline. Ozone is dash in nature, that is a diamagnetic in nature. The chemical composition of paper is that of a cellulose. Question number 61. Paraffin wax is, that is saturated hydrocarbons. In which type of rocks is petroleum, that is fossil fuel, is found, that is sedimentary rock? Dash is also called white gold, important question, platinum. Which is the purest form of iron, that is the wrought iron? Which ore is used to extract radium, that is the pitch blanch, important question. Solder is an alloy of tin and lead. Which radioactive isotope is used in cancer treatment? कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट के अंदर हम कोबाल्ट 60 यूज करते हैं। Dash is the element common to all acid, that is the hydrogen. Dash is created by alloying iron and chromium, that is stainless steel. The luster of metal is due to, luster का means होता है shining, shine करना, that is presence of free electron. Question 71. Which mineral element is found in chlorophyll, that is magnesium? The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is oxygen. The term catalyst was coined by, that is John Jacob Bernoulli. Which element is the primary reason for radioactivity found in human bodies, that is potassium 40. Germanium, an ultra pure metal, is purified by which method, that is zone refining. Tooth enamel is made up of hydroxyapatite, a mineral compound of calcium and phosphate. Which gas is filled inside a tube light? Very important question. That is argon or mercury vapor. Dash is an aqueous solution of acetic acid, that is vinegar. Which vitamins are water soluble, that is vitamin B complex and vitamin C complex. गाइस अब जो 80 के आगे के जितने भी क्वेश्चन थे ना वो सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए. सिल्वर टर्न्स ब्लैक, ठीक है, या टार्निश बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स रिएक्शन विद सल्फर. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड विद द यूज ऑफ गैलाटीन. ए bee sting contain which acid, that is methanoic acid. An orange contain which acid, that is citric acid. Etching of glass is done with the help of hydrofluoric acid. Which acid is used in soft drinks, carbonic acid H2CO3. Silver iodide is used as a seed agent for making of artificial rain. Dash is used as a catalyst for the synthesis of sulfuric acid by contact process, platinum PT. Banaspati ghee is synthesized with the help of which catalyst, that is nickel Ni. Swelling of bread take place because of carbon dioxide. Cigarette lighters contains dash gas, that is butane. Important है. Question number 91. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher, that is carbon dioxide. Dash is termed as metal of future, titanium. Important है. Safety matches are prepared using red phosphorus. A photoelectric cell contains which element, that is selenium. Zinc phosphate is used as rat poison. Which is the hardest substance found in human bodies, that is tooth enamel. Ozone is an dash of oxygen, allotrope of oxygen. Which metal is naturally antibacterial? Important है, that is copper. Which was the first element to be produced after Big Bang, that is the hydrogen. If you pour a handful of salt into a glass of water, the water level will be. अगर आप एक मुट्ठी के अंदर यहाँ पे नमक लिया हुआ ग्लास के अंदर जब वो हाथ डालोगे तो ये वाटर का लेवल है वो नीचे चला जाएगा, गो डाउन. ओके सो गाइस ये थे मेरे 100 क्वेश्चन जो कि काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट थे और यहाँ से मैंने केमिस्ट्री के 100 क्वेश्चन आपका कर दिया है कंप्लीट. ठीक है, अभी इसके बाद ही यहाँ पे अब लेके आएंगे यहाँ पे फिजिक्स के, बायो के, ठीक है, और हिस्ट्री, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री के. और मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री की अगर बात करें तो 8 लेक्चर मैंने विद डिटेल आपको पढ़ा दिए हुए हैं. सो गाइस आपको कुछ नहीं करना, हमारी वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और हमारे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें क्योंकि इसे हम आपकी हेल्प फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, और विद इन आपको 1 वीक के अंदर हम आपके 100 वाले पूरे टेस्ट लेंगे, मॉक टेस्ट होगा आपका. ठीक है, मैं वही टेस्ट सीरीज बना रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे मेरे पास 2 टेस्ट बन चुके हैं. जैसे मेरे पास 3 या 4 टेस्ट बन जाएंगे तो हम वो आपके साथ डेली डिस्कस करना शुरू कर देंगे. और जो मेरे क्वेश्चन होंगे वो टू द एग्जाम पॉइंट होंगे. ठीक है, वो आप जब आप पेपर देने जाओगे आपको खुद ही पता चल जाएगा कि हमारे क्वेश्चन कैसे थे, एग्जाम लेवल के ही थे कि या नहीं थे. सो गाइस आपको कुछ नहीं करना, खाली एक लाइक का बटन छोड़ देना लास्ट में, उसी से हमें मोटिवेशन मिलेगा. ऐसे हम 100 क्वेश्चन और आपके साथ लेके आएंगे. ठीक है, और इसका जो PDF है वो यहाँ पे टेलीग्राम लिंक जो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के अंदर उसका लिंक मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे, वहाँ से जाके आप इसको डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, और वीडियो को लास्ट तक पूरा देखें. सो थैंक यू.